friends, it's Kelly, and I have a kind of fun project for you today. These are little tea favors that I am creating for my coworkers. So I've made about 60 of these, almost 60. I'm finishing up. So they're super quick to put together, is my point. It took me probably 3 or 4 hours combined, and that was just like figuring out the design and shopping, and that was from start to finish to do almost 60. So what is in here is, in the back there is an apple cider packet, there's a honey stick, there's a wooden spoon, and then there's some chai pumpkin tea. So what I'm going to do is just move these aside. This is what I'm going to create, and I just thought I would just do a quick little tutorial to show you how to make these if you would like. Here are the things that I used. I used these wildflower honey sticks. I used the Alpine spiced apple cider. I used Twinings chai pumpkin spice tea, and then I used the Long Max disposable tableware. It says eco-friendly, compostable, so it's biodegradable, all that good stuff. But I really bought them because I feel like these give kind of a woodsy, natural fall vibe. I just liked them. I thought they looked good. As far as aesthetically, they looked good with this. So all of this I got off of either Amazon or Walmart.com. Oh, also used some of the decorative shred. This is from the Dollar Tree. And then I used these clear bags, and it's from the company clearbags.com. And the size I used was a B6x4. So I will try to remember to link all of this in the description box below. All right, so I'm gonna move all of this aside. Oh, and you need, I forgot, I'm not done. Let me see, some little miniature like sandwich bags. These are just the mini kind, and the Duro brand is what I used. And these also I got on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to make one of these. And the measurements may vary depending on your bag, because these bags are recyclable, you know, they're recycled paper, so they're not all exactly the same measurement. So I use my bone folder first just to kind of make sure everything is straight, and then I get some of my trusty art glitter glue. Use whatever glue you have on hand, and the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and glue this little flap down. That's not, I mean, it's not necessary, but I just find it makes it easier to work with. And then you're just going to flip this up, the whole little flap, just flip it up, and then use your bone folder or whatever you have with a straight edge, and just make it a really good crisp fold. All right. Let me go to, where did I put my measurements? Oh, there they are. I have stuff all over my desk. So you're gonna need scrapbook paper. I don't know if I said that or not. So I use 2 different coordinating patterns. And so your measurements, like I said, they'll vary, but what I have for mine are 3 1/4 by 3 1/2. The 3 1/4 measures from here to here. So I'm gonna put this right here first before I glue my pocket. And I just add a pretty generous amount of glue. So I make sure everything stays. And then I'm just going to center it. And I like having a little bit of a thin border of the bag showing. I think that looks cute. And then I'm going to create my pocket just by gluing to the two sides. You want to make sure you don't get glue out here in the middle, or you're going to obstruct your pocket, and we don't want to do that because we want to be able to stick things inside our pockets. And I have found this glue is really good. It really holds it together. Like it shouldn't fall apart at all, even once you have things stuck in there. Okay, so my next paper cut, this is my coordinating pattern. I liked the way that looked, is 3 1/4 across and then 2 inches high. So I'm gonna put that right here. And you see, I could have used a little bit bigger piece, but it's just, sometimes these vary. So I can just fold that down and it still will look cute. I don't know if you could see what I'm doing, but this little lip was a little bit longer for some reason than my other ones, which is perfectly fine. And I'm just gonna glue this on here. It's 3 1/4 by 2 inches high. And I'm going to glue that down. And I might just run a little bit of glue right here to fold that edge down so it's not sticking up. And it kind of looks like I meant to do that. All right. So now you have your cute little pocket. Isn't that adorable? And you can stick whatever you want in here. Like you could put candy, you could put cards, ephemera, anything that you want. A gift card would be cute in here. So let me go ahead and stuff mine. This is what I've been doing. Oh, and let me say real quick too, if you want to be extra, you can go ahead and cover the back side of this too. And I actually had started doing that, but making this many of them, I thought it's really not necessary. But if you were only making a few of these, you could definitely go ahead and cover the back and make it look finished. Or if you were like trying to sell them in a craft fair or something like that, you might want to go ahead. You would just add about 1/4 inch down here. So instead of 3 1/2, this would be 3 3/4. So just a little food for thought. That might be something you want to do. So I just go ahead and stuff this in. You notice how when you open it, you have this part up here. You have 2 sections. I stick this in the back section. And just put it where the top is showing a little bit. And then I get my T, and my T goes up here in the front, and I didn't glue that very well. Let me go ahead and just add a little bit more glue so I make sure everything stays. I'm going to put my T right here in the front. Isn't that cute? And then I will put my honey stick right back here. And they're super long, or pretty long. And you want to make sure they are going to fit inside the bag, the plastic bag or whatever you're going to use. So I just kind of moved it to an angle on this side. And then the spoon, I didn't let that dry long enough because I'm in a hurry. The spoon will do the same thing, but I just kind of like the look of them going in opposite directions. So like that. And then I'm going to take my bag. I had ordered some of these same type of bags from Amazon, and they're not the Clear Bag brand. These are much better and much sturdier, so I highly recommend the Clear Bags brand over the Amazon. And then I'm just going to put the part that I want to show, because this is a little adhesive strip right here. And this is going to fold down in the back. So the pretty part, the part with all the goodies, I'm going to put, let me see the best way, the same side as the adhesive strip. So when I stick it in there and I get ready to fold this down, the adhesive strip is in the back. I hope that makes sense and you can see what I'm doing. All right, so before I close it, I just got this natural shred. It just gives it a cute little fall vibe. So I just stick some down there in the top of the bag, just so a little bit is peeking out. Isn't that cute? And then I pull this off. I don't want the shred to get stuck to the adhesive. And then just fold this back. And you could definitely like go the extra mile here if you wanted to, and like put a, you know, a sticker or something, you know, something cute and decorative on this side, and add a little card or something. But since I'm making this for so many people, I'm trying to keep it pretty simple, but it's still super cute, and I feel like everybody's gonna like it. So that is the end of this quick little tutorial, and I hope this gives you some cute little gift ideas you can give to coworkers or, you know, friends, neighbors. Just a fun little treat. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or I left any important information out, please be sure to leave it in the description. Leave me a comment below and I will answer that as quickly as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.